Hey, what's up, my people? How you doing? This is Dalton coming back at you. Now, I told you I'd tell you when I'm going to be making a video with the webcam HD Logitech B2, B525, and this is it. Okay, but that's not what this is about. What this is about is when I live in a state, I usually like to, everybody knows dominoes and stuff like that. I usually like to look around and try to find small little places, small restaurants, really good places to eat. Those are the hidden gems of most states that most states have. Tonight, I was in the mood for some pizza. Okay, I don't know why it just hit me. It was like I wanted some pizza. I wanted some pizza now. So I put on Google Maps and I said pizza near me. And I saw really good views on this particular pizza place. Here it is. See that? Right there. Yep. And that's the pizza I wanted to talk to you about. This little shop right here. So I went there. The price is definitely reasonable. Super nice people up there. It's a small place, so you got to keep your eye out or you're gonna miss it. Okay, especially at night, because if you're driving around there and you see a fire station, you went too far. But I tell you what, it's a very nice place. And I want to show you here. Now, one thing about it is sometimes their credit card machine messes up, so bring cash. Just telling you ahead of time. Okay. That way you can get your stuff, you get in and out. Also, you can order ahead of time. Okay. Let me show you this. They sell pieces, whole pizzas, and they sell pizzas by the slice. Okay. Each slice, look at that. That's one. Okay. I had to pray this apart. That's two. That's bacon and sausage. Look how much bacon they put on that. You can't even get that much bacon from Domino's. I mean, they just hit you with bacon, man. Said I want the bacon. Look at that bacon. You want bacon, you want a place to treat you right. All right. And this is my old-fashioned pepperoni and cheese. And they hit me up with extra cheese on that pepperoni. It's all good. And I tell you what, mm, yep, I took a bite out of it. Now I want you to understand, the pizza looks like this, and it still tastes good. And I did some shopping before even coming home. Okay, so and it's still warm. So that is delicious pizza. The price is right. Super nice people. So if you're in Pittsburgh, over around Penn Hills, check them out. Okay, and like I said, remember, bring cash because sometimes the cash, the register don't work, that card thing. So bring some cash as a backup. But it's really good pizza, and I just want to let y'all know about it. And if I find other little nice places up here, in whatever state I may live in, but right now I live in Pennsylvania, if I find other nice places like that, I'll let you know ahead of time, okay? This is Dalton. Oh, yeah. Please share, subscribe, okay? Also, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Either way, whatever you do, you're cool with me. All right, and I will rap to you later as soon as I get used to this webcam. No, okay, I'll rap to you later. Peace.